Hello, everyone, and welcome to JalalElAji.com. Are you a production manager or an industrial operations manager? Are you managing your production data across multiple Excel files and different dashboards? I have developed a multilingual industrial performance analytics platform designed to bring your production data together in one place. The platform can connect to multiple data sources, including ERP systems, MES platforms, and PLC data, helping you transform your industrial data into clear and actionable KPIs. You can monitor your performance through dedicated dashboards covering overview, PIC, and PDP, production, capacity and load, and quality. If you manage a multilingual team, the platform can also provide a multilingual user experience to help your teams work with the data more easily. I have prepared a free version so you can explore and test the platform with your own needs in mind. If you need customization, integration, or support to adapt the platform to your organization, feel free to contact me. Visit JalalElAji.com and discover how your industrial data can become actionable insights. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.